I was hunted by my dad.
You find that animal. You find that thing.
I was hunted by my girlfriend's dad. Does that fear ever go away?
I hate this.
Hanging in the air.
I lost Mom.
I hate losing like this.
Counting every step.
I can't deal with another body.
Climb the stairs.
This time I lost everyone.
It's buried in your bones.
I think it's because of me.
See it in your closed eyes.
Right before we got in the car, my mother, we got in a huge fight.
This is harder than
Your friends are gone.
we hold it in the moment.
I said, I wish you were all dead.
They're gone because of you.
Coming like a high.
What's gonna happen when Scott realizes that it's your fault?
I take it in real slow.
This is all my fault.
The world is
Scott, you need your inhaler.
You have to breathe.
Scott, use it. Use your inhaler.
And all I can think about is how good am I gonna be if I can't even breathe?
So I am breaking down again.
Malia?
I am aching now to let you in.
You can tell me what's happening with
Sometimes
you.
it came,
You can talk to me.
you were not awake.
Don't ask me to talk.
7 times the flame.
Malia, we need to stay together.
Much to take.
I can't help you.
What if I told you that you're the only one that I have left? You need your back, Scott.
The sky burns
You're gonna get yourself killed. We need you.
against your skin.
I'm so sure I don't want anymore.
Scott, go home.
I have to go.
I can't help.
The world we know turns
You shouldn't
into
have come alone,
wind.
Scott. He didn't.
Coming like a hurricane.
What are you doing here?
You didn't have to come all the way out here. I figured you shouldn't be alone.
The world is spinning.
He's got a pack.
Like a weather
Theo's not in it.
vane.
You ready?
Fragile and composed.
But I am.
Though I am
You care about me.
breaking down
We're gonna be okay.
again.
It's okay. You're safe. You haven't been trying to get me to talk because you're freaked out that I freaked out.
No, I've been trying to get you to talk because, you know, I'm worried about you. Are you worried about him more? Scott.
Something's changed. I'm not sure. Something's different. I think you'd be okay
With this?
with us.
It's all we know.
Malia, open your eyes.
Scott?
Hurricane.
Can you hear me?
You hear Scott?
I'm really confused about what we're talking about. So Scott, wake up.
Falling
Open your eyes, Malia.
Stay awake! Scott!
It's
And now I'm gonna lose you too.
Malia. Hold on, Gage. Hold on.
There's so many things I want to do.
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay
He's going to get himself killed. Every choice that I made, everything I did, every single thing was to make sure that she was safe.
I know you think you're trying to protect me, but I can handle it.
watch it go. Watch it go.
Too late.
Do you have any concept of what the bond between an alpha and his beta is like?
I don't know how it can change. I don't know how it can change. It's all we know, all we know.